cocktail again. Already did 2 of them because we're doing it in a new order. And I've been having perfect scoops today. Look at that. Close enough. Don't fall. That was perfect. 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 2 horses. This is the part you never get to see. You never, oh, look at that, dirty. Love y'all. Alright. Now we're gonna wait patiently. Never mind. The coast is clear. Super duper scooper scooper. Was what I said. Pooper duper scooper. Well, you're a super duper pooper scooper. Yee. Contrary to our outfit choices today, it did not magically get warmer in Michigan. Me and Ty just have a lack of self-preservation when it comes to the winter weather. And if any of you know me personally, then I'm sure you know that I don't ever dress for the weather. In the summer, I dress like it's winter. In the winter, I dress like it's summer. So that's where we're at. I mean, I do have a turtleneck and a fleece on. I'm rather toasty, and he's got long pants on and a sweatshirt. So we're like halfway there. But okay, everybody, let's be calm, cool, and collected. Look now, come on, all the way, girlfriend. Oh my gosh, we were so close. We were so close. Y'all were playing along with everybody's favorite game show. Are they gonna act like this is their first rodeo? We were so close, so close. But you know, Chance had to go and mess that up for us. But everybody's safe and sound. We have determined why they seem to have this issue, mainly in the winter. And it's because they come in through that door that you usually sit on to see them come in 80 to 90% of the year. And then the rest of the time they come in through here. So they really don't know what they're doing, is really what it is. They don't do it enough. Right? Right. I'm gonna hang out with my favorite lady. Hi, beautiful girl. You're nice and fuzzy. Whoa. They really are getting their winter coats. She's all fit and fluffy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, bad girls. I don't think you can see it real well on camera, but they're so fluffy. So fluffy. Playing the risky game with Chance. There's no screwdriver. And we're, fingers crossed, doing well. So, I probably just jinxed us by saying this, but whatever. You win some, you lose some.